another 1.3 billion tons of organic waste brought each year in landfill, fueling methane and draining soil nutrients. Whereas institutions like schools or even residential society face the problem of good quality compost not being there and foul heaps of waste piling up. What if there was a way that we could fix this issue at a very low cost?
Rural compost require daily attention, clipping piles for weeks, lugging heavy tools, and yet produce only 50% of usable compost. Rural schools use hours of staff time. Household gardens have to buy chemical fertilizers when their piles fail. Open bins attract mosquitoes, rodents, disease, turning a green solution into a smelly health hazard.
But what if composting didn't just mean sweat and swarms? What if it ran itself, clean, fast, and pest free? Meet Resoil, your smart composting partner. And with that, we present to you our first prototype that we built at our lab.
So these are the first prototype for our Resoil model. First we have the Arduino Nano, which is the microcontroller for our project. We have two relays which function as an on-off switch for the bigger motor, the shaft, and the smaller mini pump. Then we have a DHT temperature and humidity sensor, which basically measures the temperature inside the container and humidity inside the container, having an average measurement so that we can have it running for some time. Then we have the soil moisture sensor that detects how much moisture is in the soil exactly. So when we pour in our organic matter and it crumbles, it does not lose its moisture over time because moisture is a key component for microbial. How this functions, this motor runs for about 1 minute every 4 hours, mixing the solution so that nothing is sedimented and microbes have time to grow. Then we have the soil moisture sensor, which basically directs the water flow to have the water flow inside the container and outside around the bottle for the temperature controlling. Now, temperature controlling is important for this project as a high temperature or medium high temperature is ideal for microbes. So that's the first prototype. Thank you.
In our test, 10 kg of kitchen and yard waste converted to crumbly and nutrient-rich compost in just 10 days, 6 times faster than your average manual use.
Analysis show NPK on par with premium back compost. No extra purchase required and zero manual mixing. Still doing the pitchfork lookout? Let Resoil do the dirty work. No sweat, no smell. And honestly, it pays for itself. Resoil is an all-in-one system. And even at production scale, it's rupees 18,000 outright. It saves you those labor hours and cuts your fertilizer bill by rupees 6,000. And even after rupees 1,500 of electricity bill, your net is rupees 4,500. So, you recover your investment in not too long and enjoy free high-quality compost forever.
For a 300 kg school unit, we spec out a 2 kWh motor with 25 Nm torque and 30 RPM. A 20D batch uses only 20 kWh per month electricity that costs only 130 rupees a month, even at a school scale.
A mid-scale farm uses a 10 kilowatt turner, 8-week window and approximately 112 kilowatt hour per month along with rupees 725 in energy. Sustainability is more than just recycling, it's closing the loop. Every peel, leaf or scrap you put into Resoil returns back to earth as nourishment. Together, we can cut landfill waste, reduce methane or give communities a renewable source of life for their soil. The choice is simple, waste it or grow with it.